So have you ever hit send and instantly realize, oh no, I forget to attach the file? Well, Outlook has a smart feature that can catch this before your email goes out. But here the twist. Sometime it works, sometime it doesn't. And some users did not see it at all. So let's solve the mystery. So first I will show you how to enable this feature. So this is my new Outlook. And first I click on this gear symbol, which is available on the top right corner of my screen. Now here click on mail and then go to the attachments from the navigation pane. Now here look on this options. Warn me when I send a message that may be missing an attachment. So by default this toggle is disabled. All you need to do is to simply click on it to enable it. Now close this box and done. The feature is now active. So let's check this out. So I click a new email. Now I type my own email address. I type subject, which is test mail. So now I intentionally don't attach any file here and hit send. Now you will see in few seconds my email will be in sending mode. Now I click on undo. Now that means this feature is not working. Now here where most users get confused. Even after enabling this feature, sometime you still won't see the reminder. Why? Because Outlook is smart, but it needs a trigger to know you are talking about an attachment. So Outlook only scans your messages for a specific phrase. For instance, please find the attachment. I have attached a file. Attached is the report. The document is attached. These are 4 examples I choose, but maybe there are numerous examples or phrases which consist of the word attachment. So these keywords act as trigger. Now I simply paste this exact phrase, which is please find the attached file. Now the attached file is present and I forget to attach a file once again. Outlook will stop me before sending. So let's check out a live demo once again. I hit send and boom, you will see this reminder, attachment reminder. You might have forgotten to attach a file. So the formula is you have to type a trigger word, which is attachment, in the message body. And Outlook will automatically identify that and it will act and stop your email and show you the reminder that you need to attach a file. So this small feature can save you a lot of embarrassing and follow-up emails. Just make sure you turn on the setting, use common attachment phrases when writing a message, and boom. I hope you learned something useful today. If you did, please give a video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Outlook tips and tricks. And please click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and have a productive day ahead.